Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to update your Binance Know Your Customer information. First, ensure you understand the importance of keeping your verification current for uninterrupted service. Begin by logging into your Binance account using your registered email or phone number and password. Once logged in, locate your profile icon and click on it. From the drop-down menu, select the Identification or Verification option to access your current status and update options. This initial step is crucial for a smooth process. Before proceeding, gather all necessary documents. You will typically need a valid government-issued identification, such as a passport or national ID card, and a recent proof of address, like a utility bill or bank statement from the last 3 months. Make sure these documents are clear, unexpired, and accurately reflect the information on your Binance account. Once ready, click the Update Verification or similar button to begin the submission process. Now, carefully upload the required images of your identification documents. Ensure each image is well lit in focus and shows all 4 corners of the document. Following this, you will likely be prompted to complete a facial verification. This involves using your device's camera to capture a live image or short video of your face, often requiring you to follow simple on-screen instructions like turning your head. Double-check all entered and uploaded information for accuracy before confirming. After submitting your updated Know Your Customer information, Binance will begin its review process. This typically takes a few business days, but can vary depending on volume. You will receive notifications regarding the status of your update via your registered email address. Once your Know Your Customer update is successfully approved, you will regain full access to all Binance features and services, ensuring a secure and compliant trading experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.